Good morning, ma'am. My name is Amish. My register number is 163. Today I am going to explain about the wireshack capture of the packets for accessing the website. Here they are asked about examine the frame for the first DNS packet to be sent by the client. Here they gave the Internet Protocol version 4, then SRC and the destination. This is source port and the destination port. And here they ask about what is the content of the type field in the Ethernet frame. Now we will see about this thing. Here actually they asked about the examine of the IP header for the first DNS packet sent by the client, and the header length of the 20 bytes and the total length is 62. Then they asked about the identify the protocol type field, what is the number of the type of the protocol, then protocol of UDP. Here in this first, here it is the time and here is the source address and the destination address. Here it is changing from the source address to destination address, and here it is changing from the different protocols of SSDP as TCP and DNS and SNDP like any. And then address then this source address is and destination address of the protocol. Then we will show us here it's changing from source address is changing for destination address and the protocol. If we go to the any browser, as it's showing as frame 34 and 66 bytes on the 528 bytes. Here it's showing as Aravel and the interface ID, then encapsulation type, then frame number as 34 and frame length 66 bytes, then capture length of 66 bytes, then frame is marked as false, then the frame is ignored. Then here it will show as all the ether type and IPC color roll number. Then here it is showing as the destination address as this thing 004969866 and here it is showing the source address as on air, then LG bit. This thing is the source address. Then here it is showing as Internet Protocol. Internet Protocol as it's 0100 is version 4, then 0101 is header length of 20 bytes. Here it is differentiated services field 0 into 00. Total length is 52. Then identification 0 into 59 in FC. Flags 0 into 02, then fragment offset is 0, then time to live 128. Then the protocol is the TCP. It will show as a protocol and which time to live and the source address and the destination address. In this source address is this thing and destination is 14.142.64 and 29. In the it will show as a transition control as a course. And again if we go to another thing, here it will show it from different protocols. Then if we go for, you can choose any of this. Here in this the frame address is frame number is 108 and the frame length is 60 bytes and the capture length is 60 bytes within the 480 bits. Then here Ethernet is the destination address and it is the source address in this. Then address solution is hardware type is Ethernet, then hardware size is 6, then protocol size 4. Then it is the main address of sender address and the destination address. Then in this we are using as an interface encapsulation type and the it will show all these things. We can know of any of size of the frame is marked. As in question they asked about the which internet protocol, and it's the IPv4 and V6. We can know that in this it has IP addresses within the same numbers. That's why we are doing as IPv4 V6, and with the different numbers it will IPv4. Then we can use another thing here in this it will show as the frame number is 130 and frame length is 2 bytes and capital length 2 bytes, and then Ethernet total length is 202, then flags, then fragment offset is 0, time to leave protocol, and it will show as a header and a sender, the destination, source destination and source address and destination address, and the simple discovery protocol as host address and the main address, and it will show as a user datagram as source port and destination port, and the length is, and it will show as a checksum for checksum status is it will show as if it's verified and or non verified. Then we can know easily of all these things. Thank you.